Good morning. My love for storytelling started long before I realized it. As a kid, I wrote plays for my cousins, directing, acting, the whole thing. I'd get so frustrated when they didn't take it seriously. Looking back, I think that passion never left. It just evolved over time. That passion led me here to Southern Miss. When my partner got a job at USM, it felt like fate. I had already applied to the PhD program, and when I attended the open house, I knew this was the right place. The faculty here aren't just accomplished, they're genuinely invested in us. Along with the faculty, something that set Southern Miss apart was its Center for Writers. At the heart of the center are incredible opportunities that have shaped my journey. Writing workshops that push creativity, graduate readings that build confidence, and the Visiting Writers series that brings some of the most inspiring voices right to our campus. These experiences have shown me that writing is just as much about community as it is about craft. Something I've learned firsthand as an associate editor at Mississippi Review. Being an associate editor has changed how I approach writing. Evaluating other people's work forces me to think critically. What makes a story work? What makes it resonate? It's made me a better writer, but more than that, I love being part of something that gives back to the writing community that has helped me grow so much. Dr. Claire Friedman, in particular, has been instrumental in shaping my writing. Her feedback challenges me to refine every sentence, every word. It's the kind of support that pushes you to grow. That mentorship has also influenced how I approach my own students. Teaching undergraduates has taught me that writing is often about confidence. So many students come in thinking they're not good writers, but when I give them short, low-stakes exercises, I see them let go of that fear and just write. Helping my students find their voice has reminded me why I write in the first place, to tell stories that matter. My stories center on women and girls, their struggles, their resilience, the ways they form communities and upend expectations. Whether it's my short stories or my novel, these themes are always present. As I continue to explore these themes in my work, I can't help but think about where these stories will take me. After graduation, I want to publish my book and continue writing. I want my work to inspire creativity and remind people that storytelling is a way of making sense of the world. Southern Miss has been more than a place to study. It's been a space to grow, to connect, and to discover my voice. The friendships I've made, the mentorship I've received, and the experiences I've had will stay with me long after I leave.